Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Open the Microsoft Store and install the Xbox app, then sign in with your Xbox/Microsoft account so the Game Pass library appears. Once done, verify your Game Pass subscription includes PC access and enable cloud streaming if you plan to stream. Make sure your keyboard and mouse are connected, drivers updated, and Windows has the latest updates to avoid input issues before launching games. Now choose a title from the Game Pass library, filter to PC games or cloud games depending on whether you will install or stream. After selecting the game, click Install for local play or play, cloud to stream immediately. Next, open the in-game settings or Xbox app controller options, map keys if needed, and enable mouse and keyboard support for cloud sessions. Make these adjustments before you start. It prevents confusing input behavior, and then finish by optimizing performance. Set resolution and graphics to match your PC and adjust mouse sensitivity for precise aiming. For cloud or multiplayer, use wired Ethernet or strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi and close background apps to cut latency. If keyboard or mouse doesn't respond, rebind inputs in the game, update or reinstall drivers, and restart the Xbox app. If that fails, reinstall the game. These steps address most input or connection hiccups, so you can get back to playing quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.